17th July 2019. I'm at holiday in Hong Kong. I'm at 23rd floor. My number is 2316. It's the lift area. So let me show you how it looks like. This is my room number since last 4 days. I opened the door. This is the washroom area. Let me open the door and show you. This is the cupboard for keeping your dresses. There is a small freeze below it, refrigerator. I'll open it and show you some of my food items. And the one I like the most here is the view what I am getting from this location. View of almost like a bigger view of Hong Kong entirely. Let me show you. So this is Holiday Inn CBD 2 Hong Kong. You can see the metro line. Now I'll show you something. There's also an arrangement for a torch if there is a power failure or something, which is not happening here, but in case some emergency, we'll just have to pull it from here and it will be on switch on mode. Fix it there. That's it. The television and the study lamp is quite good. All right.